Hey guys, Gold Bullion Treasures here. Somebody's probably about to call me, but we got a symphonic TV. Nobody wants this. It's only got an adapter for an antenna, and that is it. It's tiny, it's small, it does work. I plugged it in, but I'm going to tear it apart today for you guys. Alright. So yeah, I haven't got my thing put together. It's looking kind of rough over there in my storage unit, so I'm working out of the back of my car. I got to get a lot of that scrap down so I can get the countertop out of there and fixed up and stuff. Or maybe not out of there, just turn it over in there so I can put the countertop on the countertop. On the counter, I should say. Excuse me. It is super duper hot out today. Yeah, holler. Yikes. That is massive. I don't know what you can see. I can't see. Oh my God. So yeah, earlier today I tried to return a phone, and either the people weren't home or they were home and didn't answer, but the dog answered. The dog didn't say anything. He wanted the phone or nothing. Yeah. There was a dog there anyhow, so the people may have chosen not to answer the phone, but if they still don't, on my phone, answer the door, excuse me. If they still don't answer the door later on, I'm just going to scrap out the phone because I don't really know if it belongs to them anyhow, so it's just near their house, but that don't mean it's theirs, so yeah. Alright, so it looks like it only had 4 screws. It had something that melted across the top here. Don't know what that was. But there you go. Ooh, gotta be careful. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Alright then. Too bad I missed trash day, man. Okay then. So that is where that was at. Okay. So I got a few screws here. A few loose screws. Haha. Right, let's see here. Yeah, I don't want to be breaking that at all. Let's see here. Try to loosen this up here is what I've seen on YouTube. Loosen this up. I might just go ahead and take it completely off. Yeah, let's see if I can't do that. Will it come off? Not yet. Okay. Of course, I don't got nothing to hold my camera, so it's making it awkward here. Oh, I could do so much better if I had 2 hands. Alright, there we go. Making progress here. Whoops. If I can get out of the sunlight here, it's scorching hot out here today. Yeah, scorching hot. Alright. Well, darn. There we go. I don't know if that's aluminum or what. We'll try that out with a magnet later. Alright, I think there's copper in here, copper here, copper all around there. Should I go ahead and cut these? Got my wire cutters here. Oh, yeah, let's do that. Cut that. Got it? See that? Can't see in there. Alright, let me cut off these little tie strap thingy majiggies here. There we go. Pull the connector out. May have gold pins in there, I don't know. I don't know if I can pull that out or not. We'll try to set you there and see if we can't get a little something. What was that? Thought I heard something. Anyhow, let's see here. Can we pull that out? Ouch, yes. But I hurt my hand. Okay, I got one side out, but I can't get the other side out. But no, they're not gold plated at all. but they're probably brass. Yeah. Did I clip? No. Maybe I could just slide it through somehow, like so. Whoops, like the handle thing there. There we go. Come on. Got it. All right. Oh, it stayed inside. Okay. Well, will it come out? It's not coming out at the moment. Okay. Well, we'll take our little trash pieces and throw them away over here. I don't know if you want to see all that or not. Alright. So we got probably a little brass, copper wire. We got some more in here. Got to take some more screws loose though. What did I do with my screwdriver? There it is. Oh Lord. I really hurt my finger there. Oh my goodness. I hit it on the edge of this plastic here. Yeah, that's what I get for not wearing gloves again. Just hurting myself. Oh wait, before we loosen that all up, we're going to turn this around. I'm going to loosen this part up here first. Maybe. Oh, it really don't want to turn. There we go. Alright, got it going here. It's a different kind of screw, but still got a Phillips head on it. Plus a little nut driving head. Oh Lord. I'm bleeding. I'll be alright, y'all. Be alright. So. That is one long screw there. See that? Alright, let's try to just use a screwdriver and unscrew it here. It might be quicker than trying to do it with my fingertips. Goodness. I guess I'm going to have to start bringing... Well, I used to have... Well, I'm sure it's in there someplace. I have a backpack with some Band-Aids in it. But, yeah, I kind of buried that booger. On the right-hand side. I know where it's at. Alright, this is getting there. It's got a long ways to go, though. Switching hands to the hand that's not bleeding yet. Get that unscrewed there. Maybe. Darn. It ain't turning no more. Why not? Alright, let's try the right hand again. It's being difficult, y'all. Okay, I don't know why. I guess I'm going to have to hold it, y'all. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I can't get that screw loose anymore. I'm going to take the circuit board off. Oh, that was easy. Okay. We'll just go ahead and cut these copper wires off here. I don't know if I should cut it down here or not. Maybe. This really isn't easy to do it one-handed, y'all. Oh, there we go. And of course, these cutting wires or pliers are stripped. Not stripped. They're dull. Alright, that looks like a lot of solder in there, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. Let me see if I can't push that up some. Hold on. Alright, so yeah, no, it wasn't pushing up, so I could try to get the most copper out of there. So we'll just cut that piece off, and that piece is going somewhere. No, I'm not throwing this away, y'all. I'm just separating it. Oh, Lord. I need something. Let's see what I got. Thanks for me cleaning out my car. I don't think I got any paper towels on me. Well, I got my microfiber towel I cleaned the other day, and I cleaned these the other day. That towel. Got one. This is from work the other day when I dried my hands, so fair to clean. Alright, let's wrap my finger up. Try to continue working like that. Alright. Yep, plastic cuts, y'all. It does. Alright, let's go ahead and get the rest of this wire out here. Try to get some stuff out of the way. Alright, let's see here. I don't know if these things come off or not. I don't seem to wanna. Oh, okay. Guess they do snap off. Just break those little plastic pieces off. It turns, but it don't come off. Huh. That is weird. We don't want to break this, from what I'm understanding. Alright, I don't know. Cut the circuit board off. Maybe. Alright, got it on there. Snipping it. Okay, got that piece. Probably people don't want these ribbon things. I don't know. Alright, here we go. Attempting to cut that. Again, this is not easy to try to hold this camera and record at the same time, you guys. Here, we'll get that cut off of there. It's a little mixture here of trash and stuff. Put the trash in one pile. Alright, so yeah, I don't have the light on my camera because it's taking up a lot of energy. And I was trying to charge my phone on the way here. It's low on energy because I was watching YouTube channels. So, yeah. It was a bad idea to do that. Got ourselves a circuit board.